Good morning, children. This lesson is of class 8 for the subject of mathematics. Topic is factorization, and this lesson is submitted to you on 12th January 2021. Students, in the last lesson, we have discussed about the factorization. Today we will discuss the factorization of second degree polynomial. So let us start our topic. Students, second degree equation is of type ax square plus bx plus c. Why this is second degree? Because x is the variable and the highest power of the variable is 2. So that's why this is the second degree polynomial. So now let us start how can we factorize the second degree polynomial. Suppose we are having x square plus 7x plus 12 and we have to factorize it. Always, first of all, you will compare the given polynomial with the general polynomial. So, on comparing, we can say in place of a, there is 1. In place of b, there is 7. And in place of c, there is 12. Now, children, multiply a and c. What we get? 1 into 12 is equals to 12. Now, think two numbers whose multiplication gives you 12 and whose addition gives you 7. I am going to tell you the easy way. You get on multiplication 12. So, find the factors of 12 first. That is 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. Then 1. Do it also. Now, 2 into 2, 4. Let us take one number 4. 3 into 1, 3. We got two numbers. Let us make other pair. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 1, 2. You can multiply any two numbers or any three numbers. Before proceeding further, let us check these two pairs can make 12. 4 into 3 gives you 12. Fine. 4 plus 3 gives you 7. Fine. Means we can think about it. Now 6 into 2 gives you 12, but 6 plus 2 gives you 8, not 7. So we cannot take this pair. Now we got two factors, that is 4 and 3. So now how will you write in place of 7x? these two factors. Let us write. First of all, x square, that we are writing same, plus. Now 7 you have break into two parts, that is 4 and 3. So can I write 4x plus 3x? You can check. 4x plus 3x gives you 7x plus 12. So now we get what? X square plus 4x plus 3x plus 12. Now we are done with this. Now take two numbers together. Now see, what is common in these two? Yes, x. And if I take x as common, what is left inside? X plus 4. Then what is common here? Yes, 3. Then x plus, because 12 we can write as 3 into 4. So we can take 3 as common. So what is left here? Yes, 4. One thing keep in mind, children, these two brackets should be same. Always, always. These two brackets should be same. If they are same, means we are doing correct. Now, here is x plus 4. Here is also x plus 4. So let us take them common. The whole bracket we are taking common. What is left inside? X here. What is left inside? 3 here. So this is our final factorization. Clear? The next question is factorize x square minus 22x plus 40. Now again we will compare the given polynomial with ax square plus bx plus c, as we have already done in the first question. So on comparing, a is equals to 1 and b is equals to minus 22. Negative sign we will also take, because in general polynomial there is only positive sign. And what will be c? C will be 40. So now multiply a with c, we get 40. Now let us make the factors of 40. That is 20. Then 2 10 is 20. 2 5 is 10. 5 1 is 5. Now start making the factors. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 5, 10. 4 and 10. Before making the pairs, first of all, you keep in your mind that whatever the pair you will make, their addition or subtraction should give you minus 22. So they are not giving 4 and 10, they can never give. So leave these. Then, okay, fun and 1 we will also take. Then 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 5 into 1, 5. No, they are also not possible. Then 2, let us keep it alone. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 5, 20. 2 and 20. Yes, they can make, because minus 2 minus 20 gives you minus 22. So in place of minus 22, we will write minus 2x minus 20x and other two terms remaining same. So again combine two terms. Now what is common? X, then x minus 2. Then out of these two terms 20 is common, because 40 we can write 2 into 20. Fine. So minus 20 I am taking common. See this step very carefully, children. Minus 20 I am taking common, because if minus sign I am taking common, the inside signs in the bracket, they will get changed. So plus 40 was there. So what will I get? Minus 20 I have taken common. X is there. Then plus will change to minus. Now 40 can be written as 2 into 20. 20 I have taken common. What is left? 2. So I have written 2. So again these two brackets are same. So let us take common. So what is left inside? X minus 20 minus 20. So this is our final step. Clear, children? The next question is 5x square plus 17x plus 6. Again compare it with ax square plus bx plus c. So what is a? That is 5. What is b? That is 17. And what is c? That will be 6. So now a into c, 5 into 6, 30. Now we have to make the factors of 30. So let us make 15, 5, 1, 1. Now you will think about two numbers whose addition gives you 17 and multiplication will give you 30. So now 2 into 3, 6, 5 into 1, 5. No, addition can never give you 17. So 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 1, 6, then 5, these are same. 3 into 5, 15, 2 into 1, 2, no, that is also not possible. So next, which pair? 3. Oh, 15 plus 2 gives you 17. So we can think about it. So 5x square plus 15x plus 2x plus 6. See here, 15x plus 2x gives you 17x. And 15 into 2 is 30. So we are doing correct. Now again take two terms. Take common. 5 is common. X is common. So x plus 5, 3 is 15. X we have already taken common. Plus 2 is common. X left behind and 3 is there. These two brackets are same. We are doing correct, it means. So take x plus 3, the whole bracket common. What if we get? 5x plus 2. Clear, children? The next question is 6x square minus x minus 15. Now again comparing, we get A is 6, B is minus 1 and C is minus 15. Now 6 into minus 15 minus 90. So we need two numbers whose multiplication gives you minus 90 and addition or subtraction gives you minus 1. Think it very carefully. Fine, children. So now let us make the factors. 45, then 15, then 5, then 1. Now 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 5, 15. They can never give you 1. So this is not possible. 2 into 5, 10. 3 into 3, 9. This can give you 1. So we will take these two numbers. But children, we need minus 1. So it means we will take minus 10x plus 9x. If you take 10x minus 9x, then you get plus 1x. But here you need minus 1x. So it means you will take minus 10x plus 9x. Now again make 2 pairs. Now what is common here? 2 is common. X is also common. Now 2 into 3 is 6. 3x minus 2 into 5, 10. Then 3x minus 3 into 5, 15. These two brackets should be same. Take it common. What is left inside? 2x plus 3. I hope, children, the factorization of second degree is clear to you. You need to do the practice a lot. Only then you will be able to do the factorization of second degree. So keep practicing. Fine, children.